the shot. Oh, Abdul Rahman. A superb strike. Another chance. It's not often that you see a high boot against a player in that situation. That's how you turn an indirect free kick into a direct free kick. Remand. Whips in a nice ball. Vietnam equalise. It's Kwon Swong. And Kwon Fong read the eyeballs of his teammate, positioned himself beautifully, and volleys the ball home. A quite superb goal from Vietnam. What a ball set through. Vietnam not quite going to get there. It's scrambled clear by Anas Bunny Yassin.
Time right now for Vital Walkerman. It's no stranger to tournament football with what he did with Belgium, both as a player and an assistant coach.
Now Vietnam, that was travelling right at Amir Shafi.